Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Volkswagen Passat gas cap. Start by locating the fuel door on the passenger rear quarter, unlock the car if needed, and use the interior release lever or push the fuel door to open it. If there is a tethered cap, twist counterclockwise to remove, or lift the flap and press the small tab to release the spring latch gently for safety. Use gloves and eye protection when working around the fuel area, and avoid open flames or sparks near the car. Check the owner manual for specific Passat latch types and learn whether your model uses an interior lever, push-to-open door, or cap-on tether. Keep a clean rag handy for spills and store the cap in a secure spot while fueling to avoid contamination or damage to the threads and corrosion as well. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your garage or driveway with clear sound and smart home features, making hands-free timers and radio easy while you refuel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find this useful, hit subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. If the cap is stuck, avoid forcing it and try lubricating the threads with a small amount of penetrating oil, then wait a few minutes and try again. For a frozen door in cold weather, use gentle heat like a hairdryer on low power around the door edge and avoid open flame. If the interior release lever fails, check the cable for damage and consider professional service to prevent further harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.